Hello everyone, this is Zach here. So today this video here, just want to share with you a quick one on Pasukhas. I think lots of traders out there, you should definitely know these counters, which is it actually attract lots of attentions of lots of short-term traders. Unfortunately, I think some of them actually being trapped, into this counter over here, because I think today I got several inquiry, about Pasukhas, about what they should do. Is there an opportunity for them to rebound, back to the price that they entered? So probably before I go into detail on Pasukhas, I will share you three counters, three chart. Then later on, you all decide, what you should do with Pasukhas. Now, at the moment, I think you should just try to recognize the charts and patterns. It actually comes from a downtrend. I can say a short period accumulation, and volume turns up, gaps up. I think that is a reverse split previously. Make a nice healthy. I can say healthy, but it's like a brief test back and then high volumes. And subsequently higher volume with UT, and today even a higher volume with downward and turns to of course turns to red pentagon because of the huge selling volume. And just let me know by typing 1 if you are still in the trade. If you are still in the trade, you can type 1 below. If you already profit from the trade, you do a very good entry, you exit before the UT happen, you type 2, and you award totally on this trade, you type 3. So I know that most of the time my viewer, my YouTube channel, what type of trading style usually you are looking for, right? So like I said, I will show you three counters before I go back to this Pasukhas class. And the first counter I'd like to show you is Asdion. So the reason why I share with you these three counters, even though it's not like 100% familiar, but I can say they do share a similar characteristics. So for example, the first one, Asdion, also coming from a accumulation background. Of course, this accumulation is much more longer time frame compared to Pasukhas. So your breakout, if you hide this volume, on the cumulative volume, you can notice also this volume is come with pretty good and high volumes. So unfortunately, the next day, it also goes up heavily and sell off heavily too. So this is for me like a UT and sell off bar in the same day. And it totally wipe off what all the weekend holders or maybe the retailers out for the markets there. So if you look into hourly chart, uptrust, this is the first sign. That's why always remember when your chart become too climatic, when it goes up, climatic volume, up bar, widespread bar, up bar, down bar, doesn't matter. When it becomes climatic, you always want to retract with your hourly chart to confirm the signals. So UT is there already. Immediately the first hour in the morning of 9 July. So the next thing is that we do see red pentagon. So if you manage to exit from red pentagon, you definitely able to avoid another 50% losses. In Asdion. Because I understand that a lot of people have been trapped in Asdion too. Because from time to time I do receive some questions. From this trade. So later on, we'll go back to Pasukhas. Just remember, what happened to Asdion after this similar patterns happen. Now the other one I would like to share you, of course this is past already, but I think also lots of people still in here hoping the price will go back up one day. Because when this happened too, actually a lot of people also ask me, what is the thing that they should do? So again, this is, I can say, almost like 90% similar, with Pasukhas at the moment. So what happens? Of course, if I hide all this volume, you can notice also this Upbar come with pretty big volume and climatic 88% a day. The next day also it push it up. A big climatic bar. From here to here. Let me calculate. From the opening, maybe from here to the opening to the top, another 50%. So it can't attract a lot of formal traders, into this trade, but in the end, it closed with a big UT high volumes, big UT high volume, and subsequently what happens, after a few days, another high volume down bar. Okay, another high volume down bar. Okay, so again, this is wiping off all the weekend holders, okay, by trapping them at the top. Okay, so let's analyze again using the hourly chart. Okay, we're gonna do the same things for these few counters over here. Okay, so that, you know, like I said, definitely this section here is not a buy call or sell call. I'm not asking you to buy something or sell something, but just a quick section I like to do is that I want to use the previous past chart, okay, similar setup, and I want you all at least to recognize, remember, okay, using VSA to help you, okay, to do the timing slightly better, okay, in terms of exit and entry, okay. So again, if you find this video here useful for you, if you think that you learned something from this video, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and help me to click the like buttons, okay. So again, hourly charts, again, early in the morning on 22nd of March, uptrust immediately. Morning, they trap a lot of FOMO traders. Okay, and here it doesn't show any, you know, further weakness sign, okay, because it doesn't come with high volume sell-off, but the high volume sell-off come later on. Okay, so again, this is showing you that, okay, you know, people just dump everything after they distribute at the top. Okay, now let's go to the third counters. I'd like to show you some example, like I said, before I go back to Pasukhas. Okay, I know it's a bit lengthy here, but again, I want to show more example, okay, before you know what you should do. Okay, so another counters that I think share a similar characteristic, this is MMAG. Okay, so if I hide this volume here, again, same things happen. Line change high volume, and you know, the next day it try to push up higher, and UT and SO in the same day. Okay, so this is a bit similar Asdion as well. Okay, so sometimes it comes later on, the sell-off, but sometimes it happens the same days. Okay, so depending on how, you know, the smart money dump. Okay, so if let's say they dump faster, definitely UT, they trap in the same day, they sell off in the same days. Okay, so again, similar things. Okay, selling off below support. If you look into hourly chart again, we study the hourly chart. Okay, let's go back to here. Okay, so this is the areas. Okay, here. Okay, it doesn't show UT, but you can tell also this down bar comes with extremely high volume. Okay, the next few hours, okay, red candles, red pentagons. Okay, let me clear this up. Okay, red pentagon, drop to the bottom. Okay, so if you exit from here, okay, you at least save around 37%. Okay, so now this three can chart, okay, you can go back later on in your trading video, you can take a look later on. Okay, but let's go back to Pasukhas. Okay, so if you ask me, just a quick one, I think this Pasukhas definitely share a lot of similar characteristics with the three counters that I mentioned. Okay, so again, if you are in the trade, I think you need to do the decisions already. Okay, you need to do the decisions already. Okay, so let's look into the hourly chart. 13 July, uptrust. Okay, here this morning also another uptrust, subsequently selling off. Okay, subsequently selling off. Okay, so now I'm not asking you to sell. Okay, I'm asking you to sell. Just want to share with you most of the time what will happen. Okay, if this kind of formation, you know, appear in the chart. Okay, so well, let's see how it goes tomorrow. Okay, so like I said, just a quick sharing, not asking you to buy or sell anything. Okay, if you are avoided totally in this trade here, good. Okay, so what you do is that, you know, this is a good time for you to learn more different type of signals, setups, formation. So next time we see this formation, don't blind follow. Okay, probably you want to, you know, recognize few other things that you decide. Okay, is it a good counters for you to enter or not? Okay, so with this, thank you for watching. Like I say, if you enjoy my channel over here, make sure you click the like buttons. Help me to share this out and subscribe to the channel. Okay, thank you, and I will see you soon.